how to put fan blades on. So it's pretty simple. You get a blade about like this, you get a fan like this, you get a variable speed like this to make it go, and you get a little baggie of hardware, blade washers, and I'll show you how to put them on. So here you can see the end of the profile of the blade. The rounded edge is the leading edge, this is the trailing edge. And you see here on the hub you got 3 matching holes, and it goes like this. The trailing edge is always down. The washer goes right here like this. Stick the bolt through from the bottom up. So I did the center one there. You put these nuts on. You put the there we got one remaining bolt, but that is a concept of how you put the blades on. Trailing edge down, this is forward. When it's going forward, it blows down. So there, that's all you need to know about putting the blades on. This is the trailing edge, forward blows down, reverse blows up. You've got to tighten these, they're to the recommended torque. There's a torque setting in the manual, but that's the idea. 3 bolts per blade, 5 blades, blade washer goes under the bottom, and you're good to go.